for the seasons of the year, and I'm going to show you how to make it. You will need some colored papers, a corky of any color, some dried leaves, some flowers, cotton wool, a pair of scissors, a lid to draw a circle, and some clear tape. First, place your lid on the paper and trace the circle shape on the paper. Now we will do the same on the other papers. Neatly cut out the circles on all the papers. When they are done, they will look like this. Next, we'll draw a square and a triangle on this piece of paper. Then we will cut out these shapes. This is what the shape will look like when they are cut. Next, we will cut out the same shapes on the rest of the papers. This is how they look. We have 4 circles, 4 triangles, and 4 squares. I will take the purple triangle and I will write the word spring on it. Now, let's take the purple square. Write down all the months of the year that fall in spring. I will start with September. Then I will write October and November. So September, October, and November fall in spring. Then we will take the purple circle and we will place some fresh flowers on it, because spring is when all the flowers bloom. This is how they look. Next, I will take some clear tape and wrap it around the flowers to keep them intact. So this is how it looks once the clear tape is wrapped. Now I will take all the purple shapes and punch some holes on them. I will punch a hole at the bottom of the triangle. On the circle, I will punch 2 holes, one on top and one at the bottom. On the square, I will punch 1 hole at the top. Now I will take the shapes and tie some strings on them through the holes. Then I will neatly cut off the extra piece of string. I will connect the last piece of string between the circle and the square. This is how the spring part of the chart will look. The same way you made the spring season, you will make the summer season, the autumn season, and the winter season. For spring, we have beautiful flowers, the months of September, October, and November. For the rest of the chart, we have summer. I made a nice bright sun, and you can make it any way you want. Summer falls between December, January, and February. Next, we have autumn. I pasted some dry leaves on the circle and covered them in clear tape. Autumn falls between March, April, and May. For the winter season, I placed some cotton wool on the circle to represent snow, because sometimes it snows in winter. Winter falls between June, July, and August. That's how you make a seasons chart. You can hang it up on the wall and use it to remember the seasons of the year. So this is how our seasons of the year craft is looking. Here we've got spring, summer, autumn, winter, and at the bottom we've got all the months.